Today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer pump on this vehicle. But first, you need to remove the bumper. If you don't know how to remove the bumper of this vehicle, just check the link on the screen or in the description box below to watch that video. The windshield washer tank is located on the right side, underneath the headlight. Now this is only just a replacement part. This even comes with a rubber seal. Also, a free hose. Before installing it, insert the electrical socket and test it. It works pretty good. Grab a flathead screwdriver, slip it in between, then pry it to lift it upwards. Be sure to have something underneath to catch the fluid. Once removed, clean the area. Next, disconnect the socket and remove the rubber hose. Pry the rubber seal. Then make sure to drain every sediment inside the tank, because this can clog the passage and ruin your new windshield washer pump. Once clean, insert the new rubber seal. Now this could get a bit tricky. You may use a flathead screwdriver to help it push it through. Make sure it is seated properly. Insert the electrical socket to the new windshield washer pump. Place it to the tank and push it all the way downward. Install a rubber hose and try testing it. Once everything works properly without any leaks, you can now organize everything and place the hose to where it should be. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching.